All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today I'm going to talk about the range of the brand new EV6 and the Ioniq 5. Before we get to that, thank you again so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. I do news, new car reviews, and used car reviews, plus I do live streams. Back to the range on the EV6 and the Ioniq 5. Okay, so the range on these guys are actually pretty good. The EV6 is rated slightly higher at 310 miles with the extended range rear-wheel drive. The Ioniq 5 is 303 miles with the extended range rear-wheel drive. Now, there is going to be a cheaper version of the EV6 with a smaller amount of range, so 232 miles of range. So that's going to be quite a bit of range. The standard battery in that 232 is a 58 kilowatt hour battery, again, rear-wheel drive. It bests the equivalent of the Ioniq 5 by 12 miles. The base EV6 also returns 117 miles per gallon equivalent combined compared to the Ioniq 5's 110. So it looks like the aerodynamics are just slightly better on the EV6, and you can see that in the pictures. Mostly I like the EV6 except for the rear end. So far that hasn't gotten to me yet. Now, if you get the bigger battery, that does bring you up to 77.4 kilowatt hour battery. And again, in the rear wheel drive, it crests that 300 mile range. However, when you get all-wheel drive with that bigger battery, it does bring the range down. In the EV6, it brings it down to 274 miles. And in the Ioniq 5, it brings you down to 256. So it does bring you quite a bit if you want the all-wheel drive. Pricing has not been announced yet. We're guessing between about $40,000 and $45,000 for the starting price. What do you guys think? Are these going to be your next EVs? Have you guys placed any orders in? And which one would you guys choose between these two? I like the interior a little bit more on the EV6, but I like the exterior of the Ioniq 5, so I'm not sure which one I would pick myself. Thank you again for watching. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Please do like and subscribe to keep getting content like this. Have a good one.